crafty friends? It's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with some happy mail. Yay for happy mail. I received a package from Vanessa, who is also known as Crafting with a Smile on YouTube and on Instagram. Hey Vanessa, thank you so much for thinking of me. I had actually made a comment on one of her Instagram posts about some little bling that she had, and she told me she picked it up at some store in her state that I don't have, and she's like, oh, I'll pick you up some. You know, it's like a Dollar Tree that we don't have, like one of those 99-cent stores, and she had offered to get me some, and I received her package and I received this big old box, so it's definitely more than just some bling. So I can't wait to dive in, so let's get started. She has all of this shreds. I'm just gonna move it off to the side and take out all of the goodies. Oh my goodness, and she has everything wrapped up so pretty. I'm just gonna take everything out so we can look at it all together. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the 3 things that I pulled out. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to see if there's a card. I always like to see if there's a card. I don't see one, so, oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with this right here. This looks so extra cute. And if you're not familiar with Vanessa's channel, definitely go show her some love and check out her YouTube channel. You will not be disappointed. I love her creativity. She has so many great ideas, so definitely go show her some love. And oh my gosh, look at this adorable treat box. I love this deer. Oh my goodness, how cute. I love it. And she even has him puffed up on some foam to give it some dimension. I love this little treat bag. Oh, that's a pretty bow. She used some of that bling from Michael's. How cute. And look at the back. She even created a little pocket on the back, a cute little coffee mug with some marshmallows, and then all of these really pretty die cuts. Oh, these are gorgeous. I don't even think I have these dies, Vanessa, believe it or not. Look how pretty that is. Wow, this is a gorgeous doily. Okay, so these are die cuts that I can definitely use. Yay. Oh my goodness, and then she has a couple of things in here for me. Oh, glitter glue, how fun. She got it in purple and in yellow. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Okay, so I'll definitely be using that. How super sweet, and I love that you dressed up everything in purple. I absolutely love it, and I totally appreciate you being so thoughtful. Oh my gosh, and look at this pretty trim that she wrapped around the tissue paper. That's really, really pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to try to save that some kind of way. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can open this up carefully because I don't wanna, I wanna tear the trim. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh yay! So this is all the bling. Yes, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So she sent it to me in yellow. Look at that, you guys. I cannot wait to use this. It's gorgeous. I would always see her projects and see this, and I'm like, where did people get that? I could never find it. So thank you. And pink. This is so pretty. And then look at this iridescent one. Oh my gosh. Blue, girl, you hooked me up. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This is in silver. It's so pretty, you guys. Oh, this is gonna be pretty for Christmas projects. It's like an iridescent white. Oh, that is gorgeous. And then she sent some orange. Okay, this is gonna be really perfect for Halloween. And then there's some green. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Wow, this is so pretty. And then she even sent me some really pretty tissue paper. Oh, that's really pretty. It has like these really pretty, looks like butterflies. Yes, silver butterflies. Gorgeous, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at all that beautiful bling. I love it. Yay, I'm so happy. You have no idea. You know, it's the little things, you guys, that gets us super excited, right? And then she has this super cute purple bag, which I love. And you know what? I'm actually thinking I can die cut some purple bows out of this bag because I kind of like it how shiny it is, so I may repurpose it that way. Now look at this cute little bunny that she's gifted to me. Everybody knows I love purple, and I really do, and I love this little bunny. And Gina Scrapinology sent me a bunch of Easter stuff, kind of late, but it's fine. I'm gonna use it next year, but I will put this with that Easter stuff so I can pull him out next year. Oh, yay! She sent me some of this bling. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this gorgeous bling. This is what was wrapped around her tissue paper. Let me make sure it's focused. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Wow, thank you. It's 5 yards. This is really pretty. Thank you so much. I am so thankful. Oh my gosh, and look at this pretty one right here. It has a little glare. I'm gonna try to open it so you can see. Look at this pretty trim. That's gorgeous. I can see making some really pretty bows for Halloween or just dressing up some Happy Mail. This is gorgeous. Love it. Thank you, thank you. And then look at this. I know she made this. Oh my gosh, look at her perfect little box. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, let me open it up. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous, girl. Gorgeous. Oh, is this your card? It is. Oh my gosh, let's just look at the card for just a second. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Let me just read it really quick. Oh, it says, "Hi Erica, your talent and creativity is what continues to inspire me. Watching your videos has taught me not to be afraid of combining colors. Thank you for sharing your gift of inspiration. I hope you enjoy your Happy Meal, which you are so deserving of. Your crafty friend, hugs, Vanessa." Oh, thank you so much, Vanessa. This is a beautiful card, and I'm so happy to inspire. And girl, you know I've told you that you inspire me. I am so inspired by your videos. So thank you, and you guys definitely show her some love. Look at this gorgeous card, and she used that bling. I have this die, so I'm gonna have to bust it out and see how she layered it with some vellum. It's gorgeous, and then it's popped up on dimensionals to give it some dimension, and she has the die cut word hugs. I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, gorgeous girl, gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna keep going, and she has these really pretty sprays that she's picked up, floral picks. Oh, those are gorgeous. Thank you so much. I can take them apart and put them on projects. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Thank you so much. And then she also sent me, oh, some purple organza bags. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Yay, I will definitely use those for like Happy Mail. I promise you guys, everyone that sends me something, I always do send something back in return. Even if it's just a little something, I really do try, and I am behind on my thank yous, but I have a list of ongoing thank yous, and so I am working my way down, just so you know. And I just sent out 2 more packages, so I am working on my thank yous. I'm just saying. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful box that she wrapped. Oh my goodness, I don't want to open it. Oh my gosh, can I slide it off? Look how pretty that is. And she used that pretty purple ribbon that she gifted me, and then those pretty flowers. Okay, I'm gonna slide this off very carefully, if I can. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Oh, yep, I can. All right, I was trying to be careful so that I could try to reuse the ribbon and probably re-gift the box. It's gorgeous, I love it. Also, she included some bows. Look at these pretty purple bows. And they have like little wires. Oh, cute. Love. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, girl. And then she sent me these really pretty flowers. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. Love those flowers. And if that wasn't enough, she's got it stuffed with all these different flowers. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Love it. Oh my goodness, and she sent me some of these. That was on the gift box. These are so pretty. They even have like bling in the centers. Sorry for the glare, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, thank you, thank you. And if that was not enough, she sent me these really pretty purple roses, which are absolutely gorgeous. And I love adding stickles to these flowers to make them bling. So, oh my goodness, I will definitely put these goodies to use. This is some amazing Happy Mail. I am so thankful. I'm so grateful. You have no idea. Thank you so much, Vanessa. You guys, please show her some love. Go check out her channel. Check out her Instagram. I'll link everything in the description box below. So check down there in the description box. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.